You are waiting for perfection. You are waiting to go. You are waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect time. I'll do it when that happens. Stop. Here's why. You should do it, even if it's messy, even if it's not perfect. Do it. Believe in yourself for the first time in a lot of time and do it. Take action. Perfection is a prison. Messy is real. Messy is what we are. Here's why you need to go ahead and start now. I wasted 10 years not taking action. I said, oh, I'll do this on Monday. I'll take care of it when I have the perfect plan already and panned out. Or I'll go ahead and wait till I have the perfect tools. So I won't go to the gym because can only work for 45 minutes today. It's not about that. It's that every single action, even if you only have 30 minutes to do something, it's going to advance you forward to your goal. And on the long term, when you look at the compound effect over time, you will see it in your life in a way you haven't before. So if you feel stuck, if you feel that you have to have the perfect plan to do things, stop. Don't listen to your brain anymore. Don't listen to that software that's there and telling you, no, I cannot do it right now because it's not perfect. Take action. And with action, motivation and creativity will come. Take action. You know what happened in those 10 years? Not a lot. Feel like I wasted so much time in so many things that didn't matter to me or I didn't feel had the purpose I wanted for my life.